Zapier Tutorial for Beginners, how Zapier works. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how Zapier works, what is Zapier automation, and how you can get started. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you're going to go to zapier.com and you will land right here. Zapier is a no-code automation platform that allows you to create automations across different platforms. If you want to automate your work and get more productive, then Zapier is the platform for you. In order to get started, you have to click on Sign Up. As a complete beginner, you need to sign up with your Google account. You can also sign up with Facebook, Microsoft, or use your email address. Enter your first name, last name, and then click on Get Started for free. After the initial sign up, this is where you will land. This is our main dashboard on Zapier. Now we can get started. You can see we have a dashboard. Here we have Make a Zap. Zap is a word for automation and it will allow me to create an automation between different platforms. Keep in mind that there is a free plan available on Zapier, so you can use it for free. And there are more than 5,000 platforms available on Zapier to create an automation for. Let's create a new Zap. So once you get right here, click on Create Zap. First of all, give your Zap a name. I will be creating a automation for a work meeting today. First of all, we have to add a trigger. A trigger is an event that starts your Zap. So what will start my Zap? I am actually going to be hosting a meeting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google Calendar and I will create a meeting right here. Select your first trigger. My first app is going to be Google Calendar. And now I can actually go ahead and create a meeting within my Google Calendar. So my trigger is going to be event start. Now you have to log in or create an account on that platform. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and actually log into my Google Calendar. We'll connect the account. So any app you are using, you just need to connect it to Zapier. So I'm going to allow the authorization to Google Calendar right here. And now it has been connected. I can click on continue. Now, if I have already created a meeting or an event, I can just select it or I can create a new one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly go ahead and select the calendar and then I'm going to add the automation 1 hour before the meeting. There you go. Now I'm going to click on continue. So now my trigger has been added, which is a event that will start on through Google Calendar. Now we need to add an action. So for that, we're going to click right here. In order to add the action, you will have to select another app. So there are 2 apps we work on. If you want to go for the similar app, you can just use from here or you can select another one. So here, I'm going to actually search for Google Meet. There it is. We can select any kind of app here. I can select Zoom and there are other apps too. And now we're going to go with the event here as well. We can schedule a meeting. So when this event will start, I can create a new meeting here. So I'm going to quickly schedule that on Google Meet as well. If you have already scheduled everything, then you don't need to do this. You can skip this step and just add the apps right here and create the automation. Once it's done, you can save it. You will also find this plus button right here that will allow you to add another trigger or another action. Let's say when the event starts, I also want to start this meeting and I also want to send email to my attendees. So I can click on the email section here and create an email as well. So it will allow you to save a lot of time and create an automation where you don't have to do a lot. So you can see this is going to be the outline, and in outline you can see we have 3 steps created. We also have settings. In settings we have the name. We can also create a folder. We have description and we also have time zone. Similarly, we have different versions created right here. This is available in the upgraded version. And then we have our history. This will show me all of my automation history here. And then we have details and guide. So once you're done, you're going to click on right here at the top, or you can click on publish and your automation will be created on Zapier. To get started, you can now again create another Zap. Right here in the Zaps section, you will be able to find all of the Zaps that you have already created. Some of the examples are Wix automation with Shopify. I also have Google Calendar with Facebook. We have HubSpot with Facebook, and then we have others too. So you can actually find all of these different applications right here and create these zaps. If you want to create a folder, you can just click right here on the folder section and you will be able to do so. Then we also have the transfers option here. So this is transfers. A transfer sends data in bulk from one app to another. This is useful for importing records or completing a batch process. Now, with a simple Zap, you can create an automation between a platform. But if you want to actually transfer the data and you struggle with that, then you can use Zapier. You can go to the transfers, click on new transfers, and you will be able to then transfer data. Connect the apps, select the data to move, and transfer. That's how easy it is to actually transfer data from one app to another. So this is going to be your plan right here. So let me give you a quick details about the upgraded plans available on Zapier. With Zapier, we have a free plan which is going to be $0 free forever. Then we have a starter which is available for $19.99 per month. And we have a professional for $49 per month. Team plan is available for $399 per month. And the company plan is available for $799 per month. With the starter and professional plan, you will get multi-step zaps. Then we are also getting the custom logic with paths and different versions. All of these pricing plans are billed annually. So you can see right here. You can select the plan of your choice and get started with Zapier. We can also create a quick zap right here in the dashboard. You can see search for an app and then with this one. So here we can select the two apps. For instance, I actually want to connect my Shopify with an email marketing platform, MailChimp. There you go. You can see both of these apps are available. Let's say I want to connect my Facebook with Monday.com. So I can select right here and the apps will be connected. So all of these different applications and softwares are available on Zap to connect. You can get started and create automations to save your time and get more productive. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.